How to farm Temple in Warframe. To acquire Temple, the 60th Warframe introduced in the Techrot Encore update, follow this detailed guide. Step 1. Unlocking access to Solstice Square. You're gonna need to complete the quest The Hex to unlock the Holvania region. And you need to achieve at least rank 4, hot and fresh, with the Hex Syndicate to access the Solstice Square node. If you haven't reached rank 4, you can still participate in stage defense bounties available at the bounty board in Holvania. These bounties offer a chance to obtain Temple's blueprints. Step 2. Participating in stage defense missions. Located at the Solstice Square node in Holvania. Each round consists of 3 waves, with rewards distributed based on rotations. Rotation A, 1 to 3 waves, Rotation B, 4 to 6 waves, and Rotation C, 7 to 9 waves. Temple's component blueprints have the highest drop chance of 4.58% during Rotation C, which is after Wave 12. Collecting beating heartstrings. Each round rewards 4 to 9 beating heartstrings. On the Steel Path difficulty, rewards increase to 8 to 12 beating heartstrings per round. Beating heartstrings can be exchanged with Flare in Holvania for Temple's blueprints. 4. Exchanging beating heartstrings with Flare. And here are the blueprint costs. The Temple blueprint is 135 beating heartstrings, the neurotics 65, chassis 65, and systems 65. So in total, this would mean to acquire all blueprints solely through Flare, you would need 390 beating heartstrings. 5. Crafting Temple. Each component, neuroptics, chassis, systems, requires a 12-hour crafting period. After crafting all components, assembling Temple takes an additional 72 hours. And you can also use Platinum to rush any of these crafting items. And 6, there's a couple of tips for efficient farming. Team composition. You should utilize Warframes with strong crowd control and area of effect damage abilities to efficiently clear waves in stage defense missions. Focus on completing at least 12 waves per run to maximize chances for blueprint drops during Rotation C. And while the Steel Path offers more beating heartstrings per round, it also presents tougher enemies. Ensure your loadout is optimized for higher level combat. By diligently participating in stage defense missions and managing your resources, you'll successfully add Temple to your Warframe collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.